Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Film Cameras Review. Number 4. Specifications: focus mode, AF, shooting distances, 45 cm, optical zoom, fixed focus, model number, Kodak FunSaver disposable camera, set type, film sets, camera type, film camera, flash, yes, special feature, single-use camera, brand name, Kodak, origin, US, origin, usage scenarios, travel, hiking, party, children's toys. Number 3. The Fujifilm Simple ACE 400 disposable film camera offers simplicity and quality with 27 exposures and an integrated power flash, perfect for everyday snapshots or travel memories. With ISO 400 speed, it performs well in varied lighting, producing rich, grainy textures typical of film. Available in 1 to 3 packs, this camera has an expiration date of 2025, ensuring fresh captures. Number 2. Description: we support drop shipping. Welcome dropshipper, contact us. Classic Holga 120 film camera, colorful 120N medium format camera, Lomography, Lomo, Kodak, Fujifilm pink blue, standard hot shoe, aperture f8 or f11, leaf shutter 1/100s or bulb selector for long exposure, multiple exposure effect, including lens cap, 2 frame masks, strap, take up spool. Number 1. The Fujifilm ACE 400 disposable film camera offers easy, one-time use photography with a built-in flash, perfect for capturing memories on the go. With 400 ISO film and 27 photo exposures per camera, it performs well in various lighting conditions. Great for events, travel, or casual photography, no-fuss design. Available in packs of 1, 2, or 3 cameras for more capturing convenience. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.